Have you ever imagined a world where your computer isn't just a tool, but a partner in your business ventures? Hold on to that thought, because today we're diving deep into the ocean of possibilities with ChatGPT. We'll unravel not one, not two, but 7 revolutionary businesses you can kickstart using this AI marvel. And let's just say, by the end of this video, you might just find yourself rethinking the way you approach the future of business. So if you've been looking for that golden ticket to entrepreneurship in the digital age, you might have just struck gold. Let's embark on this thrilling journey together. Number 1. Virtual customer support. As the world becomes increasingly digital, the need for efficient and effective customer support has become paramount. ChatGPT offers an innovative solution to this problem. Instead of hiring an entire team of customer support representatives, businesses can employ a ChatGPT-based system. This allows companies to offer 24/7 support without the overhead costs of human employees. This not only benefits businesses, but also ensures that customers receive immediate answers to their queries, enhancing overall satisfaction. Furthermore, integrating ChatGPT into customer support systems allows businesses to scale rapidly without the need for additional human resources. The model's learning capability ensures it becomes more proficient over time, constantly updating its knowledge based on interaction. This continual improvement ensures that the AI remains relevant and can handle a broad range of customer queries. Additionally, using ChatGPT can drastically reduce the time spent training new customer support staff. As businesses grow and evolve, a ChatGPT system can be easily updated with new information, ensuring it always provides accurate and up-to-date responses to customer inquiries. Number 2. Content creation and blogging. In the realm of digital marketing, content is king. Yet producing quality content consistently can be a challenge for many businesses. Enter ChatGPT. With its advanced natural language processing capabilities, ChatGPT can assist writers and content creators in brainstorming ideas, generating outlines, or even writing entire articles. This can be especially valuable for businesses or individuals looking to maintain a steady flow of content without burning out. Furthermore, ChatGPT can be trained to adapt to specific writing styles or tone, allowing for consistent brand voices across all content pieces. This is particularly useful for businesses that want to maintain a unified brand presence across various platforms. Over time, the AI will refine its understanding of the brand's voice, ensuring that all content aligns seamlessly with the company's identity. Another advantage is the ability to produce content in multiple languages. While human translators are essential for nuanced pieces, ChatGPT can provide quick translations for businesses aiming to reach broader audiences. This is an invaluable asset in today's global marketplace, where businesses often cater to audiences from diverse linguistic backgrounds. Number 3. E-learning and tutoring. The educational sector has seen a significant shift towards online platforms, and ChatGPT has the potential to revolutionize e-learning. By integrating ChatGPT into online courses or platforms, educators can offer students a personalized learning assistant that's available round the clock. This AI tutor can answer questions, provide explanations, and offer additional resources, ensuring that students never feel left in the dark. Furthermore, ChatGPT's adaptability means that it can cater to students at different levels of understanding, whether it's a beginner seeking basic explanations or an advanced student looking for in-depth insights. ChatGPT can adjust its responses accordingly. This personalized approach can greatly enhance the learning experience, making education more accessible and tailored to individual needs. In addition, for educators or institutions looking to expand their reach, ChatGPT can assist in creating educational content. Whether it's generating quiz questions, creating informative articles, or assisting in curriculum development, this AI can be a valuable asset in the realm of e-learning. Number 4. Personal assistants and productivity tools. In an age where efficiency is prized, having a personal assistant to help manage tasks and schedules is invaluable. ChatGPT can be integrated into productivity apps, offering users a smart assistant that can help with everything from setting reminders to drafting emails. Given its conversational nature, users can interact with ChatGPT in a more natural way, making the management of daily tasks more intuitive. Moreover, businesses can utilize ChatGPT to create bespoke productivity tools tailored to their specific needs. Whether it's automating certain processes, streamlining communication, or handling data entry tasks, ChatGPT's capabilities can be harnessed to improve operational efficiency. For individuals, ChatGPT can be a game changer in terms of personal productivity. Imagine having an AI that can help you research topics, organize your thoughts for a presentation, or even guide you through a complex problem-solving process. The possibilities are truly endless. Number 5. Research and data analysis. The ability to quickly process and analyze vast amounts of data is invaluable in today's information-driven world. ChatGPT can be a powerful ally in this domain. Researchers, analysts, and businesses can utilize ChatGPT to sift through data, identify patterns, and present findings in an understandable manner. This can greatly speed up the research process and lead to more informed decision-making. Moreover, for businesses that rely heavily on market research, ChatGPT can be trained to conduct surveys, collate responses, and generate insightful reports. This not only reduces the manual effort involved, but also ensures that data is analyzed objectively, without human biases. Additionally, for academic researchers, ChatGPT can be a valuable tool in literature reviews. By feeding the AI relevant keywords or topics, it can quickly scan through vast databases, identifying and summarizing relevant studies. This can save researchers countless hours and ensure that no critical piece of information is overlooked. Number 6. Creative writing and screenwriting. The world of fiction thrives on creativity and imagination, and while ChatGPT may be an AI, it holds the potential to assist human writers in crafting compelling narratives. Writers can use ChatGPT as a brainstorming tool, generating character backstories, plot twists, or even entire story arcs. With its vast knowledge base, the AI can provide historical context, scientific insights, or cultural nuances that can enrich a story. Screenwriters, too, can benefit from ChatGPT. Crafting dialogues can be challenging, and ChatGPT's conversational nature can help writers visualize exchanges between characters. Whether it's providing witty comebacks, emotional exchanges, or technical dialogues, ChatGPT can offer a fresh perspective. Furthermore, for writers facing the dreaded writer's block, ChatGPT can serve as a muse. Simply engaging in a conversation with the AI, discussing plot points, or exploring character motivations can lead to new ideas and break the blockage. It's like having a co-writer that's always available for a brainstorming session. Number 7. Event planning and coordination. Planning an event, be it a corporate conference or a wedding, involves juggling numerous tasks. ChatGPT can be integrated into event management platform to assist planners every step of the way, from sending out invitations to coordinating with vendors. The AI can handle various logistical aspects, ensuring that the event goes off without a hitch. Moreover, during the event, ChatGPT can serve as a virtual assistant, answering queries from attendees, providing schedules, or offering directions. This ensures that attendees have a seamless experience and any potential issues are addressed promptly. Post-event, ChatGPT can assist in gathering feedback, analyzing responses, and generating reports. This data is invaluable for event planners, helping them identify areas of improvement and ensuring that future events are even more successful. Alright, tech adventurers, as we come to the end of our digital odyssey today, I hope your gears are grinding with ideas. If ChatGPT were a canvas, imagine the masterpieces you could paint with a touch of innovation. Before you zoom off to conquer the digital realm, hit that like button if you've enjoyed our journey, and don't forget to subscribe for more electrifying escapades into the world of tech. Until next time, keep those circuits sizzling and stay plugged in for more fun insights. Over and out!